Hey, this is Joseph Lebrec, and I'm going to be showing off a new Air for Android application that I have called Transient Recorder. And it's basically just a little audio recorder device that, transcodes a recording that you make on it to an MP3 and saves it to your SD card on Android. So let's have a look. So what we're going to do is go to Transient Recorder, and we'll fire that up. And you can see here what we have is a time readout up here. We've got some waveform data that displays here, a record button, a play button, and a save button. So if I start recording this, you can see the color changes to red, indicating that we are recording at this time. If I stop that recording, it goes back into its neutral state. And once it's in its neutral state, we can play back. So if I start recording this, you can see the color changes to red. And you can see it turns green at that point. Now we're back in the neutral state again, and I can save this. And it'll encode it. You can see there, just a second, 15% out of 100%, 23. So because it's encoding to an MP3 file, it's going to take a few moments here to do that. And depending on how powerful a device you have is going to determine really how fast this process takes. Okay, so it brings up our record dialog. So we're going to say, okay, we're just going to save it to the root of the SD card here. And I can back out of here. And let's open up Astro, which is a file browser. And let's see, so TR. I will locate this file. So if I start recording this, you can see the color changes to red, indicating that we are recording at this time. So you can see it basically does what it's supposed to do. So once again, it's called Transient Recorder, and it's available on the Android marketplace right now for 99 cents, and we'll see how that does and adjust accordingly.